Does your morning begin with a feeling of stress? Do you open your closet doors only to be greeted by a jumble of clothes, making it difficult to choose what to wear? This daily struggle can steal your precious time and energy, starting your day with a sense of chaos instead of calm. Imagine a different reality, one where your wardrobe is a source of joy and inspiration. When every item has its own special place, you can see exactly what you own. This clarity brings a wonderful feeling of peace and control. Dressing becomes an effortless, happy ritual, not a frustrating chore. A tidy closet truly has the power to transform your entire day. An organized wardrobe does more than just save you a few minutes each morning. It builds a foundation of confidence that you carry with you. When you are surrounded only by clothes that you truly love and that make you feel good, your self-esteem blossoms. You no longer have to sift through items that are ill-fitting, outdated, or simply do not spark joy in your heart. Instead, every choice is a good one. This simple act of curating your clothing collection is a powerful form of self-care. It sends a message to yourself that you deserve to feel comfortable and beautiful every single day. The calm you create in your closet will soon ripple outward, touching every other part of your life. Before we can create this beautiful new space, we must start with a completely blank canvas. This is a very important and symbolic step in our tidying journey. You must take every single item out of your wardrobe. Yes, every shirt, every pair of pants, every scarf, and every sock. Place everything together in one large pile on your bed or on the floor. This might feel overwhelming at first, but it is a crucial part of the process. It allows you to see the true volume of clothing you have accumulated. This visual impact helps you understand your relationship with your belongings and prepares you for the decisions ahead. Once your wardrobe is completely empty, you have a wonderful opportunity to give it a fresh start. Take a moment to clean the inside of the closet thoroughly. Wipe down the shelves, dust the hanging rods, and vacuum the floor. This act of cleaning is not just about removing dust. It is about showing respect for the space that will soon hold your cherished belongings. You are purifying the area, making it a worthy home for the items that spark joy. As you clean, visualize the calm and organized space you are about to create. This simple preparation sets a positive intention for the entire transformation, turning a simple task into a meaningful ceremony. Now, we begin the most magical part of the process, choosing what to keep. Sit with your large pile of clothes and pick up each item one by one. Hold it in your hands and ask yourself a very simple but profound question. Does this spark joy? Do not think too hard about how often you wear it or if it was expensive. Focus on the feeling it gives you right now, in this moment. Does your heart feel a little lighter when you hold it? Does it make you smile? If the answer is a clear and happy yes, then this is an item you should keep. Trust your intuition, as it knows what truly belongs in your life. As you go through this process, you will create several distinct piles. The first and most important pile is for the clothes you are keeping, the ones that spark joy. The next pile is for items you will donate. These are clothes that are still in good condition, but no longer serve you or bring you happiness. As you place an item in this pile, take a moment to thank it for its service. Acknowledge the joy it once brought you or the purpose it fulfilled. By letting it go with gratitude, you are allowing it to bring joy to someone new. This changes the act of discarding from something negative into a positive act of giving. You may also find items that need a little bit of care. Create a separate pile for clothes that require mending, such as a shirt with a missing button or a pair of trousers with a small tear. Be honest with yourself about whether you will actually take the time to fix these items. If you know you will not, it is better to let them go. Finally, there will be a pile for items that are too worn, stained, or damaged to be donated or repaired. These can be discarded or repurposed as cleaning rags. Again, thank them for their hard work before you say goodbye. This mindful approach ensures that every item leaves your life with respect. The core of this sorting method is to focus on what you want to bring into your future, not what you want to get rid of. It is a celebration of your personal style and your ideal lifestyle. By surrounding yourself only with clothes that make you feel truly happy and confident, you are curating a life filled with joy. This is not about deprivation or minimalism for its own sake. It is about making conscious choices and honoring the things you own. Your wardrobe will no longer be a storage space for forgotten things, but a beautiful collection of your favorite treasures, ready to support you every day. Now that you have selected your cherished items, it is time to give them a proper home back in your clean wardrobe. The key to lasting organization is to group your clothes in a way that makes sense for your life. Think about how you live your day. A simple way to begin is by creating broad categories: tops, bottoms, dresses, and so on. Within these categories, you can create smaller groups. For example, you might separate your work clothes from your casual weekend wear, or your workout gear from your special occasion outfits. This system allows you to find exactly what you need without searching through unrelated items, making your morning routine smooth and effortless. Deciding what to hang and what to fold is another important step in creating a harmonious closet. As a general rule, hang items that would be happier on a hanger. This includes media group, blouses, dresses, skirts, jackets, and trousers, neatly hung on hangers and closet. Close-up of delicate clothes on hangers. Stock distribute equally. Dresses, blouses, skirts, jackets, and trousers made from fabric that wrinkles easily. When you hang your clothes, arrange them so they rise to the right. Hang heavier, longer, and darker colored items on the left, and lighter, shorter, and lighter colored items on the right. This upward sloping line creates a sense of positive energy and makes your wardrobe visually uplifting every time you open it. For items that are best folded, such as media group, neatly folded t-shirts, sweaters, and jeans in drawer open to reveal well-organized folded clothes in stock. Distribute equally t-shirts, sweaters, and jeans. The goal is to store them so you can see everything at a glance. The best way to achieve this is by folding them into neat, compact rectangles and storing them upright in your drawers, like files in a filing cabinet. This method prevents you from having to dig through stacks of clothes, which can create a mess. When you open a drawer, you should be able to see the edge of every single item. Simple drawer dividers or small boxes can be helpful for organizing smaller items like socks and underwear, ensuring everything has its designated spot. A wonderful way to bring visual harmony to your closet is to organize your clothes by color. After you have grouped your items by category, arrange them in a rainbow-like progression, from dark to light. This simple technique is incredibly powerful. Not only does it make your wardrobe look beautiful and serene, but it also makes it much easier to put outfits together. When you are looking for a specific blue shirt, you can go directly to the blue section instead of searching through the entire rail. This small detail elevates the function of your closet and turns it into a truly joyful and inspiring space. The final and most important step in our journey is learning how to maintain this beautiful order for the long term. A tidy wardrobe is not a one-time project. It is a lifestyle that is nurtured through simple, consistent habits. The most important rule is to always return an item to its designated home after you have worn and cleaned it. This takes only a few seconds, but it is the key to preventing clutter from ever building up again. Think of it as tucking your clothes into bed after a long day. This small act of care ensures your closet remains a peaceful sanctuary. To keep your wardrobe perfectly tuned to your life, consider implementing a small weekly or monthly reset. This does not have to be a major undertaking. It can be as simple as spending 10 minutes refolding any items that have become messy in a drawer, or ensuring all your hangers are facing the same way. It is also a good time to manage seasonal clothes. Store off-season items in clearly labeled boxes, in a less accessible area. This creates more space for the clothes you are currently wearing, preventing your wardrobe from feeling overstuffed and allowing your everyday favorites to shine. One of the most useful additions to your system is creating a small, dedicated space for your most frequently worn items. This could be a special section of your hanging rail or a particular drawer. By keeping your daily go-to pieces together, you make your morning routine even more efficient. For accessories like scarves, belts, and jewelry, use simple tools like small trays or hooks to keep them visible and untangled. The goal is to avoid creating a miscellaneous drawer where things get lost. Every single item, no matter how small, deserves its own home where it can be seen and appreciated. Finally, remember that the best system is the one that works for you. Avoid common mistakes like overstuffing your drawers and hangers, which wrinkles clothes and makes them hard to see. Do not be tempted by complex storage gadgets unless you have a specific need for them. Simplicity is often the most effective solution. Your wardrobe should reflect your unique personality and lifestyle. Cherish the feeling of joy and calm it now brings you. By treating your clothes and your space with respect and gratitude, you will find that keeping your wardrobe tidy is no longer a chore, but a joyful and rewarding part of your daily life.